And step number 1 with all products: directions. Do it. Have faith. You can do it. Read the directions. Wear gloves. Read the directions. All products. Who knows them best? The manufacturer. Read the directions. Thanks. Today we've got our gloss, high gloss, satin, low gloss, and then our basically lower mid gloss is our black with a super high level of carbon black infused in the product. Of course, ceramics. We'll also show you how to apply the dash on her interior, on her dash, of course. We'll be doing the door panels and such later, but we'll show you this later in the video. This will be the second half of the video. But the reason it needed a month of drive time and a few cleanings is because new tires have a mold release agent on them. And that is very similar to, a tire dressing type product, which the majority of them out there are all silicone, water, solvents, oils. Either way, you've got to work off those silicones and solvents, which will get, be it an Armor All type product, in this case mold release products, again very similar. They have got to be worked off of the surface and out of the surface before a sealer can be applied. The sealers just will not adhere if there is a film barrier. The Renew Protect products are designed to literally form a covalent bond into the surface and seal. As you'll see on the dash product, that's a permanent seal. Regina's car is a daily driver, and she typically applies, she likes the black, not too shiny, really rich dark black, and she does this about 3 times a year. Her car is parked outside, daily driver, so it needs it about 3 or 4 times a year on the tire. The trim work on this car gets coated once a year at the most. Cleaning is pretty straightforward. Clean it, wipe it on. If it's a clean surface with no silicone residue from other so-called protectants, then you're good to go. Just wipe it on. What we've done today, this used to be one of my favorite cleaners. Of course, now we are using our prep product, which we send out with all our products. This is our green sealed concentrate. That will make a full bottle. So what we've done is recycled this bottle. We had just a little bit of this cleaner, this bleach white, left in the bottle. So we just added this, filled it up with water, and we've got a very strong cleaner. Another option is cleaning ammonia. That is, ammonia has a high pH, so you can either use ammonia and water, maybe 20-30% ammonia and water. Works very well, similar to our prep product. Or you can add a little ammonia to your favorite cleaner, and you up the pH, you up the strength, the cleaning ability of that product. Also, stiff bristle brush. Very important. You really want to agitate that surface. Let's give it a test, make sure it is ready for the application. And as you can see, that is dry. Finger test. There's nothing greasy, nothing slick whatsoever. Microfiber towel. There is nothing there. So let's wipe it on. So my personal preference is to apply to an applicator like this, which comes with the product. We do send everything out as a full kit, and semi-saturate a side of the product onto the applicator, and then just wipe on. And that is it. I use my thumb as a guide here and go around the rim so I do not get it on the rim. So that first coat is going to saturate the surface. It's going to penetrate and seal and literally become part of that rubber, be it rubber or plastic or vinyl. Even it works on flat painted metals like bumpers and RB, step-ups and things like that. So that will lock and seal in. So the first coat, it may not give you much shine, and that's perfect. Most people, the one coat of the black, gloss, or the satin is adequate. If you prefer, you need more shine, if that first coat soaks in, just simply add another coat. Some people who like high shine may use the black like this as the first coat, and then follow it with the gloss or the satin. That will give you a really much more shine, just an enhanced in all aspects, the strength and the shine. You know, for super shine, black followed by the gloss. Now we do recommend you not exceed 3 coatings because you're at risk of literally applying too many solids to the surface. Too much, the polymer bond and the ceramic bond could potentially become so heavy that it will lose the ability, elastomeric ability to flex, and it could develop slight imperfections if it becomes a heavy coat like that. So we'll see what one coat looks like once that sets. It only takes a few minutes. So while we're here, what happens if you get it, you know, on the rim, or by chance you're doing your trim work, you get it on the paint? Simply wipe it off. As the instructions say, keep a damp cloth with you. Wipe it off before it locks down and forms a bond to that surface. Not a big deal, gone. If it dries and forms a bond, then again, use one of the cleaners that we mentioned earlier in the video in a microfiber towel and give it a wipe down. Those cleaners will hydrate those polymers, and they will break apart those polymers, these high pH cleaners that I have mentioned. Our prep product is ideal for that. And also our prep product is ideal for reapplication. You wouldn't want to use it after application. You won't even need soap. That is going to be such a strong finish. Just use mild car wash soap and a light scrubbing brush, and you're good. If you want to resurface and renew your Renew Protect seal, then sure, use the prep or a strong tire cleaner or the ammonia combination, and then reapply. So 5 minutes, dry seal, and we're going to leave it at 1 coat of our black product. That is semi gloss, and I think Regina, that will be perfect for her car. This is what she wants. Probably come back 3 or 4 months and strip it down, wash it with the prep product, and apply once more. Ready to go.